Welcome to HSK Standard Chinese Language course. Today we are going to study lesson 2, which is initials and finals. Let's start. Initials. So these are few initials. Zhi, qi, shi, z, z, s, s, z, s, s. Finals. These are some finals. Let's practice. You have to practice with me. O, U, U, An, Yan, Wan, Yuan, Yuan, An, In, Wen, Yun, Ang, Yang, Wang, Wang, Ang, Ying, Wang, Ong, Yong. Let's do some examples. San, Shan, Zhong, Yang, Ling, Cai, Shou, Xiong, Yun, Xin, Yuan, Ren, Chuan, Chuang, Chi, Re, 冰箱，鸡蛋，司机，足球。You have to take care of these tones. Like in 司机, there is one tone, both 司 and 机. In 足球, both are second tones. So here we are doing practice of tones. So you have to take care of these tones. 机场，机场 is airport. 爬山. In last slide we saw shan, that was mountain. Here it is pashan, it is climbing the mountain. 手表, this is hand watch. So both are third tones. Whenever there are two third tones together, you will change the first one into second tone. Like in ni hao, so you have to change it and read it 手表, second plus third. 熊猫, this is last of today's practice. 熊猫. Okay, now we will see some tone marking. How to mark a tone in a pinyin. You should remember one rule, that tone will always be marked on vowels. So in any pinyin, you will find out the vowels, mark on those vowels whatever tone it is. So but if there are more than one vowel, then you have to mark it in these fashions, like A is preferred over all other vowels. So if there is A in your pinyin, you will always mark A as your tone. Then in this sequence, A, O, E, I, U. So if there is O and U in one pinyin, you will always mark your tone on O. And if there is only one vowel, you will always mark your tone on that vowel. In case there are more than one vowel, you will always mark according to this rule. It is actually when your mouth is more wide opened, and it is basically A, O, E, I, U. So you should remember this sequence. It will help you in tone marking, and if you can understand how to mark tone, where the tone will be, it will help you to improve your speaking. It will improve your Putonghua, that is standard Chinese accent. So likewise, in this slide we can see there are some practice. So this first one is shi jian. So shi is another character, jian is another character. So in shi there is one vowel I, so we have marked tone on I, and in second chain there are more than one vowel, I and A. So as a rule, we will always prefer A over any other vowel. So you can see here A is marked as first tone and I is left without any tone. In similar fashion, you can see the fourth one, Goja. Here you can see U and O, so we have preferred O over U. So this is how you mark your tones in your pinyin. So once you can understand where is the tone, then you can focus on that tone when you are speaking. It will help you a lot. So you need to do a lot of practice for this. And if you have any question, you can give it in comment, and you can also send us email, or you can join our Facebook page as well. You can send any message for any suggestion or any question. So that's all for today. In next class we will study more advanced things, like now we have already finished initials and finals and tone marking. In next slides we will start our daily life conversation. So hopefully if you are practicing with us, if you are watching every lecture, it will help you a lot. So this is enough for today, and see you next time.